Good morning. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division for your homework. Please make the addition. Do you remember? Equals, click the first number, plus, click the second number, and yes, enter. Now, this is addition, here is subtraction. Equal, click the first number, minus, click the second number, and enter. Next is a multiplication. Here, equals, click the first number, but the symbol is asterisk. Do you remember? Like a star is an asterisk for multiplication. And click the second number and enter. Finally, we have a division. The division is equals, click the first number, slash, the symbol is slash. Click the second number and enter. Okay, you have a homework in classroom. Please make addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. God bless you, everybody.